How to fix the side-by-side configuration is incorrect on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get the app running again with a few different fixes. First, click the Start button. Type Command Prompt, right-click it, and click Run as Administrator. After that, click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. From there, type SFC/scan now and press Enter. At this point, wait for the scan to finish and let it repair any corrupted system files it finds. In the next step, once complete, restart your PC and try opening the app again. Following this, if the error persists, open your browser. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Visual C Redistributable matching your app's requirements. Once done, install it, restart your PC, and try the app again. From here, if it still shows the error, right-click the app's shortcut. At this stage, click Properties, then click the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and select an earlier Windows version. Keep in mind, this error usually points to a missing or mismatched runtime library, so reinstalling the correct Visual C++ package resolves it in most cases. Finally, click Apply, then OK, and open the app once more to confirm the error is gone. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the side-by-side configuration error on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.